Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your Biedronka card. First, you need to get your physical card. Simply ask for one at the checkout of any Biedronka store. You will typically receive one main card and two smaller keychain versions, allowing family members to also benefit from the loyalty program. Activating your card unlocks exclusive discounts and special offers. To activate your card online, navigate to the official Biedronka website. Look for the Register Card or Activate Card button and click it. You will then be prompted to enter your card's unique identification numbers. Carefully input the 13-digit card number and the 4-digit PIN, both found on the back of your physical Biedronka card. Next, you will complete a short registration form. Provide your personal details, such as your name and an active mobile phone number. You will also need to create a secure password. Ensure your password includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, at least one number, and a special character for maximum security. An email address can be added for additional communication. After submitting your details, you will receive an SMS message containing a confirmation code on your registered phone number. Enter this code to finalize your card activation. Congratulations! Your Biedronka card is now fully active. You can immediately start enjoying exclusive discounts, personalized special offers, and collecting loyalty points on your purchases at any Biedronka store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.